वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। आज क्लास 7 का यूनिट 6 इंग्लिश का वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन एक्सप्लोरिंग पेट्रोटिज्म एक्टिविटी 2 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स सॉल्यूशन पूरा इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। सिलेक्ट द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शन एज आंसर एंड राइट इट्स लेटर in the box provided against the question. The people of Natal came on board. इसका सही आंसर है to meet their friends. सेकंड है what was गांधीजी observation at the port of Natal that Indians were not quite respected there. Next question है what qualities of Abdullah Seth did Gandhiji appreciate both A and B? How had Abdullah Seth learned sustainable English by more conversational practice? Abdullah Seth was proud of his religion Islam. Abdullah Seth did not like one of the following magistrate suggestion. Next, Abdullah Seth did not like Gandhiji to take off his turban for the following reasons. इसका सही आंसर है all the threes. If Gandhiji wore an English cap, he would look like a waiter. Abdullah Seth's suggestion to Gandhiji had all the three. The word of Gandhiji by turban survived almost till the end, convey that Gandhiji did not have to leave his turban till he lived in दरबान। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ए। रीड द फॉलोइंग टेक्स्ट केयरफुली एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन गिवन बिलो देम। इसके डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देख लेते। हाउ डिड गांधीजी स्टे ऑफ 21 years इन साउथ अफ्रीका प्रूव एडवांटेजेस टू हिम? गांधीजी stay of 21 years in South Africa became the preparatory period that equipped him with the perseverance and moral him with the perseverance and moral strength to free society from the forces of untruth and violence. How could Gandhiji emancipate for society from the forces of untruth and violence? Gandhiji could manage to emancipate society from the force of untruth and violence with the spiritual antidote of truth and non-violence. Question 3. How, according to the writer, was Gandhiji's life in South Africa a life of pure dedication? Answer है according to the writer, Gandhiji's life in South Africa was a life of pure dedication because there he never projected himself as one who pursued fame or asserted himself as the ऑथर ऑफ इवेंट। नेक्स्ट पैरा का डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर देख लेते। व्हाट इज द अदर नेम फॉर द पोर्ट ऑफ नाता? द अदर नेम फॉर द पोर्ट ऑफ नाता इज डरबन। व्हाट डिड गांधीजी ऑब्जर्व इन द पीपल ऑफ नाताल हु हैड कम ऑन बोर्ड टू मीट देयर फ्रेंड? गांधीजी ऑब्जर्व इन द पीपल दैट इंडियंस वेर नॉट क्वाइट रिस्पेक्टेड देयर। What did Gandhiji observe in Abdullah Seth as a person? Gandhiji observed the following things in Abdullah Seth. His first point है his literacy level was low. Second है his knowledge through experience was great. Third point है he had a sharp intellect and he was aware of it. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट पैरा है क्वेश्चंस है हाउ वॉज द इंग्लिश ऑफ सेठ अब्दुल्ला? अब्दुल्ला सेठ had learnt sufficient English for conversation for practice and could manage all his work with it. What was the area of interest for Abdullah Seth? Abdullah Seth was proud of Islam and was fond of discussing philosophy. What happened with Gandhiji in the court? How did Gandhiji react to it? The magistrate in the court asked Gandhiji to take off his turban. Gandhiji refused to take it off and left the court. Next para के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देख लेते हैं. Why did Abdullah Seth not want Gandhiji to take off his turban? Abdullah Seth did not want Gandhiji to take off his turban for the following reason. If Gandhiji took it off, then it would be misunderstood. Second point, if Gandhiji took it off, other who put on turban in that country would have hard time. Second question है, what did Gandhiji see through in the advice given by Abdullah Seth? In the advice by Abdullah Seth, Gandhiji could see through Abdullah Seth's worldly wisdom, his sense of patriotism, and to an extent a little conversation. Third question, how did Gandhiji get publicity in South Africa? The incident of Gandhiji's turban was extensively discussed in the newspaper. Some took side of Gandhiji and some other criticized him severely. Thus, Gandhiji got publicity in South Africa without any efforts within 3-4 days. Answer the following questions based on the textual unit B question है. First question है, why did Gandhiji feel that Indus were not respected in Durban? Some people of Natal had come on board to meet their friends. Gandhiji noticed a kind of rudeness in the behavior of the people who knew Abdullah Seth, and he realized that Indians were not quite respected there. Next question है, those words had worldly wisdom, also patriotism, and to an extent a little conversation too. Who is the person being referred to as wise, a patriot, and conservative? The person being referred to as wise, a patriot, and a conservative in Abdullah Seth, he suggested Gandhiji not to give up wearing the turban. This suggestion revealed his above given qualities. Next, which quality do you think that person possesses given reason for your answer? Said Abdullah was wise because he soon thought about the repercussion. If Gandhiji gave up wearing the turban in the coming days, those who wore turban would have hard time. The turban is identify of Indian people, so Abdullah Seth's sense of patriotism is revealed here. And in those days, conservatives would not like to change their dress, language, and other cultural identities. In this sense, Abdullah Seth's concern for conservatism is also revealed. Justify the title Unwelcome Visitor. Do you think Gandhiji was really an unwelcome visitor in the South Africa? Why not? As Gandhiji was an Indian, the native people were not happy to receive him in South Africa. Gandhiji observed that they were rude to Indians. Even the magistrate objected against the turban of Gandhiji and asked him to take it off. Thus, Gandhiji was an unwelcome visitor for them. नेक्स्ट, टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. गांधी जी लेफ्ट द कोर्ट बिकॉज. इसका सही आंसर है he refused to take off his turban as it would be a sign of tolerating disrespect for his custom. If you were in Gandhiji's place, what would you have done on being asked to remove your turban? Why? इसका आंसर है Naturally, I would have taken off my turban on the spot following the magistrate's order because I could not have gathered courage to go against the order of the magistrate, nor would I thought of leaving the court as I would have thought of leaving the court as I would have thought of such an act as disrespect to court. How would have I gathered courage to disobey the magistrate? Question mark. Any common man would have done the same as I would have done. Next, page number 62. Question 3. Match A, B. क्वे इसका सही आंसर डी है. अ लैंडिंग प्लेस बिल्ट अलोंग कोस्ट लाइन. लिटरेसी इसका ये सी आंसर है. पोसेसिंग द स्किल ऑफ रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग. फिलोसॉफी का एच आंसर है. द प्रिंसिपल अंडरलाइंग ऑल नॉलेज. मैजिस्ट्रेट 4 का जी आंसर है. अ लॉ रैंकिंग जुडिशियल ऑफर. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट 5th का आई आंसर है. इनर स्ट्रगल. एलिगेंट 6 का एफ आंसर है. ग्रेसफुल इन अपीयरेंस. पेट्रोटिज्म 7th का ई आंसर है. द लव फॉर वंस कंट्री. कंजर्वेटिज्म 8 का बी आंसर है. द टेंडेंसी टू प्रिजर्व ओल्ड कस्टम. इमेंसिपेट इसका 9 का ए आंसर है. सेट फ्री स्पेशली फ्रॉम लीगल, सोशल और पॉलिटिकल रेस्ट्रिक्शंस. बी पार्ट है पोर्ट ऑफ नाताल. इसका बी आंसर है दरबन. अब्दुल शेख इसका 2 का डी आंसर है. अ काइंड होस्ट. पीपल ऑफ नाताल 3 का ई आंसर है. डिड नॉट शो रिस्पेक्ट टुवर्ड इंडियन. मैजिस्ट्रेट ऑफ कोर्ट ऑफ दरबान 4th का ए आंसर है. टेक ऑफ योर टर्बन. गांधीजी's टर्बन 5th का सी आंसर है. ब्रॉट हिम ग्रेट पब्लिसिटी. क्वेश्चन 4. Put a tick mark in the box against the following statement if they are true or cross mark if they are false. Unwelcome visitor. This piece of writing has been taken from Gandhiji's autobiography. True answer है. Gandhiji went to South Africa by a sea route. True answer है. Abdullah Seth had come to the port of Natal to meet friends on board. False answer है. Abdullah Seth became the first host of Gandhiji when Gandhiji reached Durban. Correct. Gandhiji observed at the portal of Natal that the people of the port were very kind and cooperative. False answer है. Gandhiji was hurt by the rude behavior of people towards Indian. True answer है. Abdullah Seth was nearly literate. True answer है. Abdullah Seth could not manage his work with his poor English. False answer. Abdullah Seth liked to talk on philosophy. True answer है. Abdullah Seth appreciated the magistrate order for Gandhiji turban. False answer है. Gandhiji soon took off his turban and went out of the court according to the magistrate order. False answer है. If Gandhiji left wearing the turban, it would be hard time for other who wore turbans. True answer. In Abdullah Seth's suggestion to Gandhiji could see his wisdom and sense of patriotism. True answer है. गांधीजी wrote a letter to a newspaper protesting against the magistrate decision. False answer है. Gandhiji's turban made him popular all over South Africa within 3-4 days. True answer है. After the turban ensign, Gandhiji left wearing the turban forever. False answer है. Everybody in South Africa was on the side of Gandhiji after the report in a newspaper. False answer है. Gandhiji turban incident was printed in the newspaper under the headline unwelcome visitor. इसका ट्रू आंसर. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर यूनिट 6 इंग्लिश का यहीं पे खत्म होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.